This is Sajpointe Health. This is the student portal. We have the IELTS classes and we also have the NCLEX classes. I'm going to be dealing with the IELTS classes today. If that is the class you register for, you're going to click on enter. And this brings you right to the page. We have different classes for the IELTS. We have the IELTS listening, IELTS reading and general and academic. We have the IELTS writing, general and academic. We also have the IELTS speaking. We make provision for both general students and also academic students. I'm going to assess the IELTS listening first. We have the portal comprising of all what you need to make learning the easiest for you. We have the listening simulation test. We have the British Council podcast. We have the IELTS Library. You have all of the texts for your IELTS you can ever think about. The British podcast we have that I'm also going to go through that. We also have the listening simulation tests that are all Cambridge standard. We have live class notes for classes you have in the academy. I also have the class timetable. Looking at the listening simulation test, I'm going to go to, you can see we have a number of them. If you want to practice any, you just click on any. I'm just going to practice the Cambridge practice test 4. I'm going to click on start now. And this brings me right to this page. It is loading right now. It brings me right to this page. I'm just going to click on start IELTS exam. What I love about this is that it puts you in the exam state itself. It times you automatically, and once you're done, the answers to your question pops up, and you're not tempted to cheat. And you're also very, very time conscious as you see the time counting down while you do the exam. So that's why I love it so much. I'm going to click on start IELTS exam.
Cambridge practice tests for IELTS 1 by Vanessa Jakeman and Claire McDowell. Published by Cambridge University Press, 1996. This recording is copyright. Cassette 2, Slide 1. Practice Test 3. You will hear a number of different recordings, and you will have to answer questions on what you...
So I just went away from that part now. So I'm also going to do like the British Council podcast. And this comes like in different podcasts, like you have people talking and, you have the exact things that say being written out. This way you get used to the British accent. It helps you a lot in your listening exam. So I'm going to click on the 2 cats. Let's have a sample of that. I'm going to click on play. This just helps you. This helps you better your listening.
Sent an email around the office saying who can look after these 2 cats, and my wife and I already had 2 cats at the time from Indonesia, and we thought, have we got room, can we adopt these 2 new cats? And then when we saw them, they were
great. You notice that as the person talking, the actor talks, you have the words being written out too. So that way, doing this often, this helps you better your ability to understand the British accent. I'm going to go to the class library. We have a whole lot of text here. We have that for the writing, reading, speaking, and, all reliable resources to help you pass the IELTS. So this is like a very, okay, let me go down to the reading. We have the reading academic where we have the exact questions you have for the academic. The simulation test. Click on that. You see, you also can start your IELTS exam and it brings you right. It times you. So this like puts you in that exam state. You can slide through just like this, and, attempt your questions. And, you seeing this time, while you take your test helps you to be very conscious of it, and helps you practice better and put you in that exam. So all this are embedded in your IELTS portal for Sajpointe Health. All this to make learning the easiest for you.